Tired of buffering? Neon shows stuck on loading? You're not alone. If your Neon subscription is acting up, you're in the right place. This video will dive deep into the most common culprits and how to get things streaming smoothly again. Neon's a fantastic streaming service, offering a huge library of movies and shows. But like any tech, it can sometimes encounter hiccups. Whether it's a spotty internet connection, a glitch on their end, or a problem with your device, we'll cover it all. Problem 1. Internet connection woes. Let's start with the most frequent offender, your internet connection. Neon requires a stable and decent speed to stream smoothly. Test your speed. Run a speed test on your device. Aim for at least 5 megabits per second for standard definition and 25 megabits per second for HD streaming. Check your router. Is it properly connected? Try restarting your router and modem. Strong signal. Make sure you're not too far from your router or experiencing Wi-Fi interference. Problem 2. Neon app issues. Sometimes, the problem lies within the Neon app itself. App updates. Ensure you have the latest version of the Neon app installed on your device. Force quit and restart. Close the app completely and then reopen it. Clear app cache and data. This can resolve temporary glitches. Instructions vary depending on your device, usually found in your device's settings. Problem 3. Account and subscription problems. Account issues can also disrupt your streaming experience. Account status. Double-check your subscription status. Is your payment method up to date? Are there any outstanding charges? Multiple devices. If you're exceeding the number of devices allowed on your account, you may encounter streaming restrictions. Contact Neon support. If you've tried troubleshooting and are still having issues, reach out to Neon's customer support. They can help investigate account-specific problems. Problem 4. Device compatibility. Make sure your device is compatible with the Neon app. Check system requirements. Neon has specific requirements for operating systems like iOS, Android, etc., and devices. Outdated software, an outdated operating system can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Troubleshooting tips. Check Neon social media. Keep an eye on Neon social media channels for any service outages or known issues. Try a different device. If possible, try streaming Neon on a different device to see if the problem persists. Unplug and replug. Sometimes a simple power cycle can resolve unexpected issues. Unplug your device, wait a few seconds, and then plug it back in. With these troubleshooting tips, you should be able to get your Neon subscription back up and running in no time. If you're still facing difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Neon support for further assistance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.